Greetings, ESL 106. This is a video to look at our vocabulary for this week, Module 7. We're in Vocabulary 3A. So hopefully you've been able to open that document and take a look at the 10 words that we will study this week. I am on page 173 in your book. Join me. I'm looking at these 10 sentences and I'm going to use our vocabulary words to complete each of the sentences. So you can pause here, do page 173 with me, and we can talk about the answers in a minute. So here we are. We're going to think about the parts of speech that are needed in each sentence, and then we'll choose the word that fits based on the context. And let's start here in sentence number 1, taking a look at the part of speech that's missing, first of all. For many consumers, patriotism is a something issue. And I see here that I have the noun, issue, problem, concern. I need an adjective here, something that will go before that word issue and describe it. Let's take a look at number 2. What part of speech is missing? The corporation sold its blank. Okay, that sounds like a noun. I need a thing that can be sold, right? I need a noun that will follow its. Its is possessive here, talking about the corporation. It sold its something. Number 3, outsourcing became the dominant blank. And again, I have this phrase here. It starts with the, and I have an adjective, dominant. So what I need is a noun. This is a noun phrase with the, with an adjective. I need a noun. So let's see which words we will use to complete these sentences. For example, in number 1, which adjective should we use to talk about a kind of issue that many consumers see in the idea of patriotism, right? And this is a good place for the adjective core. For many consumers, patriotism is a core issue when they decide on purchases. You can see what I chose here for number 2. The corporation sold its subsidiary. So we're talking about a part of the corporation, a smaller part, a subsidiary, which the corporation could sell off. It was a smaller electronics company and it made some profit. And then number 3, we use the word paradigm. I often hear this expression, the dominant paradigm, right? And here it's talking about a paradigm of outsourcing. We're using all of these business expressions, business words. That's what Unit 3 is about, a lot of articles about business. And here they're talking about the dominant paradigm, the model that's used. In the 1990s, the dominant paradigm was outsourcing. Good work, guys. Let's keep going. Take a look at number 4. First, what part of speech should I insert in order to complete this sentence? Strong blank, right? Local politicians are usually strong blank. I need a noun, and I need a noun that's going to match with politicians, with people. This noun is talking about people. Number 5, in almost every business, blank. Okay, another noun is needed, right? Business is used here with this noun, right? Business is used as an adjective with this noun to talk about an example of outsourcing. Number 6, workers worry about the blank of their jobs. So again, I need a noun. So I need 3 nouns here with the, strong, every business. I'm going to need nouns for all of these. Let's see what you chose. For number 4, looking at this expression, something that would match local politicians. And hopefully you chose the word advocates. Advocates are people who support something. In this sentence, local politicians are advocates of any program that promises jobs, right? That's what they advocate. They are advocates, right? So this could be a noun, it could be a verb. In our list, it's a noun. Advocates are politicians that support jobs. Number 5, I need a noun that will go with business, something that will talk about a part of a business, right? In almost every business, I use the word sector. Every business sector, there are examples of outsourcing. And we're going to find that out when you read the article about outsourcing. Number 6, during times of economic uncertainty, workers worry about, I'm sure you guessed this one, the security of their jobs. So we have these 3 nouns: advocates, sector, and security. Let's take a look at number 7. Number 7, what part of speech is missing here? The manager presented a something argument. Argument is the noun, so I'm going to put an adjective in there to describe the argument. Number 8, many hobbyists blank the machines. Okay, I need a verb, something that you can do to a machine. And then number 9, most businesses blank to the metric system. Again, I need a verb, something that you can do to the metric system. Number 10, the startup company launched several new, they launched something, right? And I've got 2 adjectives, several, new, I need the noun, right? What did they launch? So looking at these parts of speech, I see in number 7 that I'm going to use an adjective that talks about an argument, a good argument. I might say a valid argument. In number 8, I'm talking about a verb, something that you can do to a machine, something like build a machine. Number 8, I used the verb assembled. In number 9, I need another verb, and it means to change over to something new, right? And this is a good place to use the word converted to the metric system. The last one, number 10, is a good place to use the word initiatives, talking about new ideas, new plans. They launched several new projects or initiatives to raise capital. So let's say these words together: valid, assembled, converted, and initiatives. Those are our 10 words here as we work into Unit 3, as we read articles about business. The first article you're reading is all about crowdsourcing, crowdfunding. You're going to need these words. These words will make that article a little easier as you look at them. Go ahead and look at Quizlet. You'll find good practice there. Look at the appendix. You'll find more examples. I hope you're writing these words in your notebook. Write them with example phrases or example sentences. That will help you remember them. And then take the quiz. You you will be answering questions, incomplete sentences, using these words. So I hope you feel comfortable recognizing these words and using these words in order to discuss the topics of business that we'll be looking at here in Unit 3.